Okay. So your lab this week will be to connect to TryHackMe. TryHackMe is an online platform that you can practice quite a lot of training. Oops, that one's made private. In order to connect to it, you will need to connect to you need to make a VPN connection to them. So number one, you'll need to make an account, and you can make accounts for free. When you're there, go to the OpenVPN room, which is linked. This one, I'll remove this one since that room's not available anymore. When you're there, it'll give you instructions on how to connect from your machine to their network. So if you are on a Windows box, here are the instructions on how to connect from Windows. If you are on a Mac, they have instructions here too. If you are on Linux as well. You are not going to be working on King of the Hill in this class. If you get a subscription, you can get a Kali Linux machine that's within their network already, and you wouldn't need to install OpenVPN to connect to their network. That part is completely up to you. I am in no way, shape, or form for this class forcing anybody to pay the subscription fee. You can if you want, and by doing that, you'll get a Kali Linux box that you can spin up and interact with the network directly, but you can totally connect freely by any one of these methods and connect into their network. Once you're in, you'll do these two rooms, the Crypto Challenge and Crypto Funhouse, assuming they are up and running. Oh, that one's made private. Has the other one made private too? Yes. Okay, so I'll double check that these links work, and you'll see what rooms you can work in. For right now, the first big step is signing up to TryHackMe and making sure that you have a VPN connection to them. Once you have that ensured, then you can proceed to working on the rooms. An example of a room. Let's see if we can just type crypto. I'm just going to click on one randomly. Here's an example room. You'll have some tasks to do. So let's open this, for example. We have some terms here, okay? You can type in the answers if you have them for a question. And as you do, there'll be a little green check bar saying you did it correct, and you work through the various tasks to answer the questions to complete the room. You don't have to do as many crypto rooms. I'll pick 2 rooms that are publicly available, and you can work on those 2 rooms. This one looks like one that I might pick, this Crypto 101, but I'll update the links in the class. Instead of these 2, I'll pick 2 that are open. And what you'll do is go through each task, complete them, answer the question until you've completed the entire list of tasks to do. Now, if you choose to not do the 2 rooms that I picked, but instead pick 2 other rooms that are crypto related, go for it. I'm not going to force you to do 2 specific rooms. If you don't want to pick a room because you are completely unfamiliar with this platform, do the 2 that I'll suggest. If you see 2 rooms that are crypto based that spark your interest, go for it. The point of this week is to get to get you engaged with the TryHackMe infrastructure and be able to do rooms within here. Because this is a great learning platform that I believe anybody who's getting into cybersecurity should be familiar with. So once again, I'm gonna suggest 2 rooms. I'll update Canvas with 2 rooms. If you would like to do those 2 rooms, go for it. If you want to do 2 other rooms that are crypto based, do that as well. Either way, you'll submit proof that you completed 2 cryptographic rooms within TryHackMe. That's the main point of this week's lab. Does that make sense? Awesome. Any questions on this week? Okay. There are no questions. I will stop the live stream and the recording.